Nice. Steve here, ShenRC, and in front of us we have the Judge Pro. This is a Soyee GpToys. This is the S920 Pro. I had this on my channel, the blue version, and they upgraded this version with some extra goodies. Let's take a look at it. It has 6 oil-filled shocks, and it has metal gears, twin 1600 milliamp batteries, 25C, 3-wire servo. It's waterproof, ball bearings. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Here's everything that comes in the box. They got a nice manual here. Shows you how to operate everything. It's got the parts listed, exploded fuse. So if you have to work on the truck, make sure you keep that. Here's the batteries. It comes with two 7.4 1600 milliamp LiPo packs. These are 2S battery packs. Dean's plugs. Let's see what's in this package here they give you. Alrighty. You get 2 USB chargers for the battery packs and a power supply. This looks like the top of the truck chassis clip-on cover. You get some lights to put in the truck. That's cool. A T-wrench for the wheels. Extra body clips. Battery pack connector to connect dual packs to it, so you could run 2 LiPos at once. I believe you could also run 1 if you want also. Let's take a look at the radio here. Same radio as the last version I had on my channel. You got the steering, normal, reverse, speed mode, high, low, steering direction, steering trim. This is a pretty nice radio. I like it. 3 AAs for the power. Pretty nice. Let's take a look at the truck here. It's got the protective plastic cover on here. You gotta peel off. Looks pretty good. Nice paint job on this one. Probably gonna look nice when you install the lights in it. Let's check out the bottom here. Velcro strap for the batteries. Metal skid plates over the diffs. Let's take the body off. There she is, the body. Like I said, there's a coating on here. You gotta peel it off. It's like a clear protective coating. You could see it's got little tears here. You gotta peel it all off. But anyhow, I'm gonna leave that on for now. Alright, here's the chassis. This is the battery strap for when you put the batteries in there. You hold them down. 60 amp ESC. Power button there. The big improvement on this one is it's got the oil shocks now. You can see how smooth they are. That's going to make this thing run much better than when it used to just have the springs. It has all metal gears, metal drive bones, Metal out drives. Feels pretty smooth. Tires are kind of hard. I wish they'd make them softer. That's one thing I keep asking them to do. Maybe one time they'll make them softer. But it should work a lot better now that it got the oil shock, so maybe it won't matter, but we'll see when I test run it. Looks pretty good. Let's see how you put these lights in. And then you put the red goes in the back bumper, and then the white ones go up through here into the front. They clip in right in these holes here. So I'm not going to do that now. Alright, looks pretty good. I'm going to have to go out and give it a test run. And we'll see it outside, see how it goes. Okay guys, before the test run, I just want to GPS this and see how fast it is. I got the GPS on it right now. Let's give it a whirl. Go pretty far, it's wound out. That should be good enough. Let's see what we got here. We got 18.2 miles an hour. So that's the speed of this beauty here. Alright guys, let's give this Judge Extreme a nice test run and see how she runs with the upgraded parts over the old version. Let's hit it. See how she works over this rough stuff. I could tell right away the shocks, the oil shocks are working real good. See how smooth she is? With the spring shocks only, without oil, this thing would have been flipping over. Whoa! You could see the wheels moving up and down the suspension. It's really working good. Nice. Nice improvements. Also guys, it looks really nice with the front and rear LED lights on there. Real nice. The LiPo battery packs, the 1600 milliamp ones, 2 of them, whoo, gives a lot more punch. Let's see if I could jump it. Ripping. Looks really good in the red also. See what it does down here. I don't know what this is gonna do. Nice. Let's see how she does full out bore on this rough stuff here. Takes it like a champ with the oil shocks. Whoa, first flip, not that bad. See how she goes through the grass over here. This grass is pretty long. It's going through it pretty good. Try up this hill of rocks and stuff over here, see what she could do. This is pretty rough. Going up here pretty nice. Look, the upgraded version's doing the job. Oh! Oh, that was nice. I hope I caught that. Some close-ups here. Oh! I got something stuck in the axle here. Let me check. Nope, she's all good. Suspension's nice. Alright guys, I think that's enough with this one. Looks really good, runs really nice. The oil shocks now make a big difference. I like the LEDs they give you now in the front and rear. Looks really nice. The two LiPo packs really make it light up. 1600 milliamp. Two of them together gives it the punch you need to bash. It's a good job with the Judge Extreme. I like this one a lot. The only thing I would change is if they could make these tires a hair softer. I think it would be much better. But it works pretty good now with the oil shock, so it's alright. Alright guys, if you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up. I appreciate it as always. Leave me a comment, it's even better. And hit that bell for my future videos, and I'll see you next time. Beauty!